Honor has quietly expanded its entry-level smartphone lineup with the new Honor X7e. The handset targets users looking for a large battery, modern software, and practical everyday features without stepping into the premium price segment. It has already been announced in select overseas markets and is expected to reach additional regions soon. The Honor X7e features a 6.61-inch TFT LCD display that offers HD plus resolution of 1604 by 720 pixels. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate and includes eye comfort features such as dynamic dimming. Powering the device is the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset paired with 6 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Honor also offers RAM expansion technology, allowing the device to access additional virtual memory when required. For photography, the smartphone is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary rear camera accompanied by an auxiliary sensor. On the front, it houses a 5-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. One of the biggest highlights is the battery. Depending on the market, the Honor X7e packs either a 7,000 mAh or 7,500 mAh battery and supports 45W wired fast charging. Additional features include MagicOS 10.0 based on Android 16, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, IP64 rated dust and splash resistance, Bluetooth 5.1, a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an IP64 rating for dust and splash protection. This device lacks support for 5G connectivity. In Malaysia, the 6GB RAM and 256GB storage variant of the Honor X7e is priced at MYR $899, $225. It can be bought in shades like sunrise orange and midnight black.